Are you looking to build real-world cybersecurity habits? It all starts with how you manage passwords, and password managers are a must-have tool. Welcome to Cybersecurity Dojo. My name's Dave, and today we're talking about password managers. We'll cover what they are, the benefits they offer, and some of the associated risks of using one. So what is a password manager? A password manager is a secure tool that stores all of your passwords in one encrypted vault, and you unlock it by using a single, strong master password. Think of it like a digital safe. Instead of trying to remember dozens of logins, or worse, reusing the same one everywhere, you only need to remember one master password, and the manager takes care of the rest. Password managers come in a few different forms, like locally installed applications, browser extensions, or mobile applications, depending on what your needs are and which type works best for you. Most password managers can also generate strong, random passwords for you, so you don't have to come up with something complex every time. They work across your devices, so whether you're logging in from your phone, laptop, or web browser, your credentials are right there when you need them, and you don't have to dig through sticky notes or rely on memory. You might be wondering, why not just save your passwords in your web browser like Chrome or Safari? While web browsers do offer to store your credentials, they're not as secure or flexible as dedicated password managers. For example, browser-stored passwords are often easier to access if someone gains control of your device, and they don't usually alert you to breaches, reuse, or weak passwords. Dedicated password managers offer stronger encryption, better organization, and work across your browsers and devices, giving you more control and visibility over your credentials. Now, there are a lot of good reasons to use a password manager, but let's go over the big ones. First, stronger passwords. Most password managers can generate random, complex passwords that are nearly impossible to guess. And since you don't have to remember them, there's no temptation to reuse the same password across multiple sites. Second, better organization. Your login credentials are stored in one place, securely encrypted and easily searchable. You can also store other information like security questions or notes related to specific accounts. Third, faster logins. Many password managers can autofill your usernames and passwords on websites and apps, saving you time and reducing frustration. This is especially helpful because many modern password managers won't autofill credentials if the website doesn't match the domain they are saved for, which can help protect you from phishing. Finally, we have security alerts. Some password managers will send you notifications if one of your passwords shows up in a data breach, or if you're using a weak or reused password, giving you the chance to update it before it becomes a problem. Password managers are powerful tools, but like anything in cybersecurity, they're not without trade-offs. The biggest risk? Single point of failure. If someone gets access to your master password or unlocks your vault, they can get access to everything inside it. That's why a master password needs to be strong, and ideally paired with multi-factor authentication. Another concern is cloud syncing. While it's incredibly convenient to access your passwords across devices, syncing to the cloud means your encrypted vault is stored online, and that means it could be targeted by attackers. That's why you want to use a password manager with strong encryption and a solid reputation. There's also the risk of phishing, not just on the web, but inside fake apps that try to impersonate legitimate password managers. You can mitigate this risk by always downloading from official sources and being cautious about what you're opening. Finally, like any software, bugs happen. No tool's perfect, but regularly updating your password manager if you're using an app-based or locally installed version and staying informed about vulnerabilities can help you reduce that risk. Let's recap. A password manager is a secure vault that stores all of your passwords in one place, so you only need to remember one strong master password. It helps you generate strong, unique passwords for every account, protects against password reuse, and simplifies login across devices. Yes, there are risks, like putting all of your eggs in one basket, but a trusted password manager with multi-factor authentication dramatically reduces those risks. At the end of the day, a password manager is one of the easiest ways to level up your security and simplify your digital life. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.